Have you heard about AI in dentistry? Yep, that's right. Artificial intelligence is making its way into the dental world too. And let me tell you, it's pretty cool. Basically, AI is being used to assist dentists with things like diagnosing cavities, detecting oral cancer, and even creating customized treatment plans for patients. This technology can analyze thousands of images and data points in seconds, making it much quicker and more accurate than humans could ever be. Now, some people might be worried that AI will replace dentists altogether. That's definitely not the case. AI is simply a tool that dentists can use to enhance their capabilities and improve patient outcomes. Plus, there are still certain things that only a human can do, like provide that personal touch and help patients feel comfortable during their appointments. So to sum it all up, AI in dentistry is definitely something to keep an eye on. It's exciting to think about how technology like this can improve the dental care we receive, and I can't wait to see where it goes from here.